If you're like a lot of us, you're still trying to figure out exactly how AI Companion can be used in your day to day to be able to improve your efficiency and your effectiveness. One of the great ways to be able to do that is to get a clear definition, a list of all of the tasks that you perform in your day to day job. If you are familiar, you can actually get that list from ONET Online. It's a occupational database. And this list may not be perfect, but it's going to give you a good starting point. If we just type in your occupation, let's do executive assistant, and you'll get a list of similar occupations. Once you click the one that's most relevant to you, you can see a list of tasks that in this case, an executive assistant would be expected to complete. Now, they might do a lot more than this, but this would be your starting point. You take that list, copy it, and put it inside of a new Zoom document. Now, once I put that in there, the formatting's not going to be great. So I can just select that and use AI Companion to convert the content in this doc to a table format with a task category and task description header. So now the information that's inside of the text-based bullet points are now being dropped into a much more appealing task list. Now, I still have to do some work to be able to determine whether or not AI Companion, specifically from Zoom, can help assist in augmenting this. So let's go ahead and create 2 columns to the right, and we'll add a header here of, let's say, how will Zoom AI Companion help augment this manual task? And then here we'll put an AI Companion score. All right. Now, I can, of course, come in here and I can modify this and I can make it a little bit more appealing. But one of the really nice things about AI Companion as it pertains to Zoom Docs is I can select that entire table. I can choose AI Companion and I can write a prompt like fill in the table, provide guidance on how Zoom AI Companion can be leveraged to augment the manual task and provide an AI Companion score from 0 to 100, where 100 represents the task can be fully automated by AI. All right. Okay, so now we can run this prompt, and AI Companion, as you can see here as it's building out, will actually go out and do the research and make a best guess. Now, it's leveraging the large language model that's supporting it, so it's not always going to be exactly perfect, but it allows you to be able to replace the contents in the table. And now I've got a well built out table for an executive assistant. And I can even go a step further here by converting this table to a data table. And now I have the ability to be able to sort. And now I can look at some of the highest propensity tasks where AI can best help our executive assistant on performing at a higher efficiency or a higher effectiveness level. Now, again, this is not necessarily saying that 95% of all meeting documentation can be automated. Again, it's intended to be sort of a stack ranking option that allows you to be able to sort of prioritize the top maybe 5 or 7 tasks. What you don't want to do is try and start automating with AI 21 different tasks because you're going to get overwhelmed. Ideally, we want to pick 2, 3 tasks, figure out which one gives you the best bang for your buck, and then really start working one at a time. Create a process, create a system that allows you to be able to leverage AI, create prompts that work for AI and can help really improve the way in which the individual works.